Alrighty guys, so in today's video you guys are going to see our newest purchase. It is a quad. Scully picked this up yesterday. We're just going to show you a little bit of a walk around, and then we'll have some good riding clips, some hard riding clips. We need to put this thing to the test right off the rip. So here it is guys. Scully, want to tell them about it a little bit?
She's a little dirty, but it's an 04 TRX450R board to a 480, I believe. Athena had, you know, he's got all paperwork with it, the guy that we bought it from. We're the second owner of it. The guy bought it brand new. It's got an A-in pipe, full pipe. It's got steel clutch plates, I believe.
Elka front shocks,
DG front bumper, full aluminum skid plate,
steering stabilizer,
chain guider, steering stabilizer, twist throttle, Renthal bars, Alba steering stem.
Everything.
I think it's got a brand new swing arm on it.
Yep, it came with a shit ton of extras. We'll show you guys. Extras are kind of down there, like a bunch of tires. We probably got like 2 sets of tires and a whole bunch of stuff. But obviously it's missing the front fenders because it was raced, so we'll put them back on.
Yeah, I think that's mostly it.
It's a little dirty. It was a little wet out up here, and we ripped it yesterday. But yeah, we'll have some riding clips later in the video. Make sure you guys watch that because this thing really rips. Like, it is definitely the fastest thing we've ever ridden. Yeah. Besides like a Banshee or something, but yeah, I don't know if you want to give it a good start here in a second.
Yeah, it's about 20 degrees today, right?
Yeah, maybe 30 degrees.
It's dirty though.
We're like 30 degrees, yeah. But this is the 04 is a kick only. They don't have electric start, so. One kick. Pop. It's got a stage 3 hot cam as well. I forgot to mention that. Leave your guesses in the comments of how much you paid for it. With all the extras. We also got full gear, a bunch of extra brand new parts, all the paperwork. Definitely a ripper though.
Alright guys, so it might be a little hard to see, but this is what we got with the wheeler. We got this whole tub of parts, which has like 2 sets of bars, knee guards, extra front fender, pipe, stock pipe on the ground. Got some coolant with it, bunch of miscellaneous crap in there. We got 6 front tires, 2 sets with rims, 1 just these Maxxis Razors without rims that I use for racing, and same thing with these ITP pole shots in the rear. Then we got 1 spare rear rim and tire right there, and then I think that's all for the parts that we got for it, with all the gear and stuff that we showed you a second ago. But yeah, no, we covered it up best we could. But yeah, you'll see some videos of this versus the 400, and I think the old 450 it'll walk the 400 for sure. So let us know what you guys want to see with this new quad, what we can do to please your viewing, and yeah, we'll be sure to fill you in on whatever's happening with the build on this thing.